shouts of pain. One stood up and shook the track. Kitty called the owl and the owl said back, "No more dinos riding the train." Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. Four spooky dinos were riding the train. Stegosaurus jumping in the rain. One fell off and broke the wheel. Kitty called Dino and he said, "Stop this chaos on the train." Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. Three spooky dinos were riding the train. Triceratops causing loud noise again. One hit the horn, beep beep. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost said fast, "No more smashing the train."
The castle ahead is
Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. Two spooky dinos were riding the train. Raptor and Rex jumping in pain. Seats all broken, lights went dark. Kitty called the bear and bear made remark, "Stop this spooky train ride." Almost broken train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding.
I was so lucky.
Two broke the engine, big loud boom. Kitty called the witch and witch said, "Oops, fix the train, fix it soon, let's fix the train." Hi do they fix the train. All dinos back on the train again. Kitty smiles, no more pain. So Kitty calls them home and says, "Let's ride the Dino train today." Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. Yum yum yum, candy rains. Baby shark eats once again. Pop 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 goes jelly booms. Candy flying round the room. Oops oops, tummy shake. Too much candy, tummy ache. Baby shark finds candy store. Chocolate falling on the floor. Lollipops and gummy bears. Candy flying everywhere. Baby shark says, "More, more, more." Then meets a giant candy where, as yum yum yum, chew chew chew. Too much candy, what to do? Baby shark jumps super high. Candy shooting to the sky. Spin 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 around the chair. Sticky jelly in his hair. He slips and slides across the floor. Then wants candy even more. Kitty hears a boom boom boom. Candy bouncing round the room. Baby shark goes, "Oh no me, my tummy feels all wiggly." Kitty says, "Now listen here. Too much candy's not good, dear. No no no, candy stop. Time for healthy munch munch chop." Kitty brings banana shake. One apple slices on a plate. One crunch 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 goes carrot bite. Baby shark feels alright right. Water splash and soup so warm. Healthy food becomes the charm. Crunch crunch crunch, healthy fun. Strong and happy everyone. Baby shark now dances slow. Healthy power starts to grow. Candy sometimes is okay, but not all night and all day. Kitty laughs and claps with glee. Healthy habits lead they. Yum yum yum, candy treat, but healthy food is good to eat. Kitty helps and saves the day. Happy shark can laugh and play. Hee.